Welcome. If you want to set up alarm clock in your XIAOMI Redmi Note 8T, for the first you have to open the clock that you are using, so it will be probably in the tools, and here it is. Accept the permission, and here we got the free default alarms, so we can activate one of them, and right now it is turned on. There's a notification that it will go off in a few hours, so when we enter it we can just set up the hour, the minutes, time. We can also go for the additional settings, and here we are able to select the ringtone. We can set up the repeat of this alarm. We can also activate the vibration, and we can for sure add the label for it. And if you set up everything, you have to just tap right here on the right upper corner, and as you can see, here is our alarm. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.